Alright guys, this is a 2007 Machismo 500, one of the 500 machines ever Royal Enfield produced and sold in India. So this particular bike is in a bone stock condition. So tires etc. all are in usable condition, and engine is running butter smooth, so absolutely no issues with the bike. So it's a quick walk around video. So the fitness has been applied and it's going to be ready in a couple of weeks time, and the fitness is going to be renewed all the way till 2028, which is 5+ years. So bike is in bone stock condition and absolutely no work on the bike, that's guaranteed. So yeah, as few of you asked me for a startup sound of this particular bike, so we're just going to do that at this point. So bike, by the way, has a functional self start, what you see there, and a brand new battery too. Okay, let me crank it, because in these bikes you need to hold the clutch and then crank, so I'm trying to do it with single hand. So this is how it sounds. So here is how it sounds in idling. Absolutely smooth running engine, and you can hear the beats. I'm sure true RE lovers know how a 500cc LB AVL engine should sound. Okay. Okay, I am going to rev it a bit so that you can hear how the bike sounds when it's revved. Yes, my friends, so that is the bike. So do let me know if you are interested. Asking price is 1.5 lakhs, and I will let it go plus minus 5,000 here and there. Thank you.